What is happening, people? It's your guy Evans. Listen, I'm buzzing today. I'm super excited. It's like 6 in the morning and I've got a 4-hour trek up to West Yorkshire. And the reason why is because I'm picking up the keys to one of our next investment. I'm super excited. I'm buzzing. It's gonna be an amazing trip. I can't wait to show you guys around this property. Come with me. Let's do this together. Yes, people, 4.5 hours of traveling. I'm finally here. I'm about to go into the agent to pick up the keys, but it's a very exciting moment. Stay tuned. This 4.5 hours of driving have got to my head. I've walked in asking for the keys for my property. They're like, what? I'm like, what? They're like, what? Find out that what happened was I actually walked into the wrong agent, so I'm now walking into the right one. Come with me. Yes, people, as you can see, I've just obviously got the keys for the new property. So excited for this project. It's been a trek back and forth, but I finally got the keys to a new project. Come with me, let's check it out. This project here, it's been a mission to finally get this one over the line. I'm super excited, super pumped, and I want you guys to come and check this out with me. Come on! Listen, man, I love houses that smells like this. Smells like money, dirty, damp, you know, all the issues wrong with it. Come and check it out. Let me Yes, people, so listen, welcome to my project, welcome to this property. As you can see here on the ground floor, there's currently a living room and there's just currently a kitchen. But my vision, what I'm going to do with this property is I'm going to convert this living room to an ensuite bedroom, right? Now with this kitchen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take everything off and this kitchen will also be a bedroom. Now on the outside there is currently a bunch of grass. But I'm going to do a rear extension of 3 meters and it's going to fall under permitted development, which means I don't need planning permission. And that's going to be our kitchen, right? The basement now it's just currently, a storage area to most individuals. But for me, it's going to be an ensuite bedroom, right? So on the first floor here, we have 2 bedrooms. Guess what I'm gonna do in here? Yes, you guessed right. I'm gonna put an ensuite in the corner and an ensuite in this one, and these 2 rooms will be 2 ensuite rooms. Which brings me up to the climax. We're gonna go upstairs, we're gonna go into the loft, my favorite area, and there is the icing on the cake, guys. Here is the creme de la creme. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna convert this room into a kitchen and this bedroom to an ensuite bedroom, and this whole of upstairs will be rented out as a studio, a self-contained studio. This here will make me £700 a month. How do I do that? Why? Because there is a hospital just down the road, and I've also got a HMO just up the road as well. So I already know what I'm gonna get for it. I'm just super excited for this project. I'm super excited to obviously, take you guys through this journey. Stay tuned, subscribe, and listen, if you wanna partake, if you wanna invest in deals like this, there's probably a link around here, there's a form around here. Drop me a DM, I'm buzzing to work with you and show you guys how you can do the same. Peace out, guys. See you later.